Welcome to your slang update. Your challenge today: stop sounding like a textbook. You know the grammar, you know the rules, but you sound robotic. Today we change that. We will use 4 new words: Rizz, bet, Delulu, mid. These are not just for teenagers. They are armor for shy speakers. Your goal: use one of them today. Let's be honest, speaking English is scary. You worry about grammar, structure, and being judged. Slang is your shortcut. It allows you to say less but mean more. It builds a connection instantly. When you use the right word, you signal confidence, even if you are shaking inside. You don't need to be loud or extroverted, you just need the right code words. I chose these for introverts. Just listen, repeat, and use them. Let's start with the easiest one. Your first word is bet, B-E-T, bet. This is the ultimate tool for introverts. Why? Because it replaces long sentences. Usually when someone makes a plan, you panic. You think, how do I agree politely? What is the correct grammar? You might say, yes, I would certainly like to do that. That is correct, but it is stiff. It creates distance. Bet bridges that gap. Bet simply means okay, or yes, or I agree. It confirms a plan. Here is the situation. A friend says, let's get coffee at 2 p.m. You say bet, that's it. Complete communication. You sound relaxed, you sound ready. Let's practice the feeling. This word is casual, it is low energy. You don't shout it, you just drop it. Bet. Try it now, talk to yourself. Bet. Here is another example. Someone says, I will text you the address. You say, bet. It means, I trust you. I am waiting. Sounds good. It takes the pressure off you. You don't need to explain your excitement or find a fancy adjective. You just agree. Caution. Do not use this with your boss or in a job interview. This is for casual spaces, friends, classmates, online comments. But for shy speakers, it is a gift. It stops the overthinking. Someone suggests a plan, don't think. Just say bet. Simple. Your next word is mid, M-I-D, mid. This comes from the word middle. It means average, mediocre, not good but not terrible. Just okay. Why is this good for shy people? Because giving a negative opinion is hard. Introverts often fear being rude. If someone asks, did you like the movie? And you hated it, you freeze. You don't want to explain why or start a debate. Mid is your shield. It is a soft way to say, I wasn't impressed. It is not aggressive, it is just indifferent. You go to a new restaurant, your friend asks, how was the burger? You didn't like it. Instead of complaining, you say, it was mid. That's it. You have shared your opinion, but closed the door on the topic. You are not angry, you are just honest. Practice this with me. Imagine a boring party. The music is quiet, the food is cold. Someone asks, how is the party? You say, it's mid. Say it now, it's mid. Use this to protect your energy. If you say something is terrible, people ask why. They want details. If you say something is mid, the conversation moves on. It is a very cool, detached way to speak. No stress, just truth. Next word, Rizz, R-I-Z-Z, Rizz. This is short for charisma, charisma. It means charm or the ability to attract people. Usually, it is about dating or flirting, but for you, it is about observation. Shy speakers often feel pressure to be the funny one. That is exhausting. Rizz allows you to talk about social skills without needing to perform them. You can observe others. If you see a guy who talks to everyone easily, you describe him, he has Rizz. He has mad Rizz, unspoken Rizz. This is a great tool for compliments. If your friend gets a phone number easily, compliment them. Wow, you have Rizz. It makes them feel good and makes you sound current, and you didn't have to do the flirting, you just acknowledged it. Think of yourself as a narrator. You are watching the social world, you see someone charming, describe it. That is Rizz. It is a fun word to say. Practice it. Think of a celebrity everyone loves. Say, they have Rizz. Try it. They have Rizz. You don't need to have Rizzes today, just recognize it in others. This builds confidence and shows you understand the game. That is power. Your final word is Delulu. This is short for delusional. This is my favorite word for introverts. Why? Because we overthink. We imagine marrying our celebrity crush or becoming a billionaire tomorrow. Delulu makes it okay. It turns anxiety into a joke. Delulu is the solulu. That is the phrase. Delusion is the solution. Sometimes you need to be a little crazy to survive. If you think your crush looked at you, admit it. I am being Delulu. It's self-deprecation and protects you from embarrassment. Imagine you apply for a job you're not qualified for. Tell your friend, then add, maybe I'm just Delulu. It lightens the mood. Everyone has wild hopes. Using this connects you to them. Say it with me, Delulu. It is fun to say and feels bouncy. 4 words, bet, mid, Rizz, Delulu. These are your tools. They are simple, they are safe. Your challenge is clear. Pick one. Use it in a text or comment. Stop trying to be perfect. Start being real. Comment the word you chose below. Do it now.